That works great. Okay.
Ho, ho.
So somebody popped his favorite balloon animal yesterday. So here's what we're gonna do. We went and bought balloon animals. Sort of. We bought balloons, right? Yes. We're gonna try to make a balloon animal. Don't touch. Don't touch those. I think the package said suffocation hazard, and I don't want you to die. Yay! Okay, look. Watch this. Right here. Just right there. You ready? Watch this. It's gonna be magical. It didn't come with a pump. I looked. It's a little harder than I expected. Don't touch those yet. I'm gonna put those in my pocket. This is gonna be yours. As soon as I get it. Do you have a... We need a pump. A bicycle pump? Ow, I need to stop doing that. Okay, you know what? I got an idea. What if we stretch it out a little bit? Huh? It's not funny. I'm lightheaded. We're gonna find a pump. Something. Oh. I have something.